Good morning, dear students. This is your English grammar class, and this is lesson 4 articles part 2. In the first part, you have learnt about indefinite articles, definite articles. Today, we are going to learn about repetition of articles and omission of articles. Repetition of article. Repetition of an article changes the meaning of a sentence. For example, with the help of this example, you will come to know that with repeating the articles, how the meaning change in the sentence. First, I have a red and white shirt. I have. Here, what is article, children? A is the article. A is the article. So sentence is I have a red and white shirt. It means a shirt with the two colors, red and white. Here you can see it means that a shirt with two colors, a red and white. Both colors are in one shirt only. It means that. And look, another sentence. I have a red and a white shirt. I have a red and a white shirt. Here we are repeating the article a. Two times we have written. So this is the repetition of article. What is the meaning of this sentence? That one red and the other white. One red color shirt and other white. Is it clear? So this way that repetition of article change the meaning of the sentence. Now, omission of articles. No article is used. In some sentences, we do not use any article. For example, first, before an uncountable noun. You are very familiar about uncountable nouns, the nouns which we cannot count, which we are not able to count, that are the uncountable nouns. So, omission, we just omit the articles in the sentence where an uncountable noun is used. Example, milk is good for health. Milk is good for health. Here before milk, milk is what, children? That is uncountable noun. And before milk we have not used any article. Look, second example, iron is useful metal. Iron. Before iron, have you used any article? No. Why? Because this is uncountable noun. Third, grass is green. Grass, we cannot count grass. So before that also we had not used any articles. Second example of that, before plural countable nouns, when they do not refer to any particular person or thing. For example, men, M-E-N, men. Men is the plural of M-A-N, man. Okay, we read it as men, and that is man. M-A-N is man and M-E-N is men. Men should respect women. Women. This is women. Okay, and W-O-M-A-N is woman. Okay, so men. Here men is the plural. Should respect women is also the plural. So what is written? Before plural countable. These both are countable. You can count men also and women also. But that they are plural. That are not singular. Nouns when they do not refer to any particular people or thing. And here these nouns are not referring to particular people or thing. Okay, that is not referring to one special man. Here we are talking about all men and all women. That all men should respect all women. So here we are not talking about the particular men and women. Okay, so there also we omit articles. Second example, roads. Roads is plural, no children? Road is singular and roads word is plural. Should be safe even for pedestrian. So road should be safe even for pedestrian. Pedestrian means those person are walking on the street. Okay, on the road. That is the pedestrian. So road should be safe for the pedestrian also. So here roads are plural. And before that also we had not used any articles. Third, before proper nouns such as name of people, countries, continents, cities, lakes, hills, mountains. For example, Mohan is my brother. This is proper noun Mohan. Mohan is the proper noun and it is the name of person. So there also we had not used any article. Second, we live in India. We are not saying we live in the India. We live in India. There also we omit articles. Then Nainital is the name of place. Before that also we had not used any article. Has a better climate than Delhi. And before Delhi, because it is the proper noun name of the place, but we are not using articles. We are omitting the articles. Third, Agra is known for the Taj Mahal. So here for Agra we had not used any article. Okay. Before proper nouns such as names of people, countries, continents, cities, lakes, hills and mountains. Okay, mountains, but Taj Mahal is the monument. So before the monument we are using articles. Okay, the is used. Last, Mount Everest is that is the name of it. So Mount Everest is the highest. Why here you had used the before highest? Because highest is the superlative form. Under the rules of articles we have studied that with the superlative form we use the. Okay, the highest mountain in the world. Next, before the names of meals, if they refer to the occasion, not food. For example, I take breakfast at 8 o'clock. So here also we had omitted what? Article. Next, lunch is at 1 p.m. So before lunch also we had not used any article. So what is it and what is the rule, children? Before the names of meals, before the names of meals we omit what? Articles. Next, before the name of certain buildings such as school, court, prison, hospital, church, if they are visited or used for their primary purpose. For example, we go to school every day because we are going to school every day. So there we had omitted articles. She will appear in court tomorrow. So tomorrow she will appear in court. There also we had omit articles. Okay, so this page is clear. Now next page is he went to Paris. Some more examples of that. Before the names of certain building, that is fifth one. He went to Paris. So there also we had not used any article, as the rule is that before the names of certain buildings such as school, court, prison, hospital and church. Okay, so we omit their articles. I went to bed. I went to bed. So there also article is omitted. She is in hospital. We spend 2 hours in church every Sunday. So there we omit the articles. Why do we omit the article? Because that is the rule, and if they are visited or used for their primary purpose, because mostly we are doing these things, that's why there we don't use article. Sixth, before the names of relation. For example, mother is cooking food. We are not saying the mother is cooking food or a mother is cooking food. That is wrong. That is the rule, that there we omit the articles. Uncle is waiting. So are you saying that the uncle is waiting? No. So that is wrong to say the uncle is waiting or a uncle is waiting or an uncle is waiting. That is uncle is waiting only. 7. Before words that denote a unique post or position. For example, unique post or position. For example, he is principal of my school. Okay, they appointed, that is the unique post of principal. So there also we omit articles. They appointed me chairman of the committee. So here chairman is also the post, and there also we omit articles. Okay, there we are not using articles. 8. Before names of language. For example, they speak Punjabi at home. Can you speak French? So there we are not using any article. We are not saying they speak the Punjabi or can you speak a French. That is wrong to say. 9. Before certain phrases made up of preposition and a noun. For example, at home. So at is the preposition, no? And here phrase is there: at night, at sunrise, at daybreak, at dawn, at dark, in hand, in depth, at noon, at sunset, at sight, on demand, at interest, on earth, by water, by sea, by air, by road, by land, by train, by bus, by flight, on foot, on deck. So these all are preposition, and before certain phrase made up of preposition, these phrases are made up of preposition and a noun. So there we omit articles. 10th, before certain phrase consisting of transitive verb and its object. For example, to send word. So before certain phrase consisting of transitive verb. Here send is the verb no give, keep, catch, take, cast, give, set, lose, set, leave, go, take. So these all are the transitive verb, and this is the phrase. So there also we omit articles. So these are the certain rules where we omit the articles. So you should read the lesson 2 to 3 times so that you can learn all the rules and exercises given below that you have to try to do yourself. Here just I am showing some fill in the blanks. Dash river Thames flows across England. So that is the river Thames, that is proper noun. So before that we use the, because this is the name of the river. The house is on a very crowded road. We went for a walk in a park. The trial was a parody of justice. So you should know that why these articles are used by reading the rules. Okay. Then here fifth, the worst thing is to have to wait unnecessarily. When were the last Olympic Games held? The next step is to call a press conference. He doesn't take an interest in sports. You know, interest, I is the vowel, that's why an interest is used. You are a good player, because one player it is. Use the ladder to get the books from the top shelf. So that particular ladder you had to use, that's why the is used. A guard must be posted outside the house. You can see a wide variety of birds here. He retired from the job last year. She will go down in history as the great poet. I gave the children an ice cream each. Now you should try a fresh approach. The flower has a very sweet smell, that particular flower. So why do you have such a big smile on your face? The car smashed into the tree. The car is badly damaged. They shop around for the best deal. He shot an angry glance at me. The government aims at giving quality education. They have lived in the same house for 10 years. We are going to play an important match. There is a letter for you. So B is insert articles where necessary. This exercise B you have to do in the copy. First you have to write the sentence, wrong sentence, then write answer as the correct one. Here is a list of participants. So here a article you have to insert. Here is a list of participants. Who made the coffee? I am short of cash now. So here no need to write any article. It is not necessary only. Today is a cloudless day. The sentence is fifth one. She breathed a sigh of relief. Okay, she breathed a sigh of relief. Then next page is chair is made of plastic. So there is no article you have to use. Chair is made of plastic, not a plastic, not an plastic, nor the plastic. That is wrong to say. Seventh, rose is beautiful flower. Rose is a beautiful flower. You have done an excellent job. She had dog with a smooth coat. Could you shut the door please? They are staying at hotel. Cook the vegetables on low heat. Captain held trophy in air. Interview lasted half an hour. He is highest ranked player in the country. I had to buy a new pair of shoes. we will have to get to root the to root to root we will have to get to root of problem to the root of problem. We will have to get to the root of problem. Then next is giving wrong information is an offense. I work for company that makes computer. Be quiet or you will make the whole house. This is the first time she has been late for you. Dark clouds in the sky gave hint that it was going to rain. Only way to win the match is to practice hard. It was the fifth day running that fog had continued. What made you decide on career as a teacher? So these all are the articles you have to use, but you can write from this, but you should know why these articles are used there. You should have to understand and write. C is insert articles where necessary, put a cross where you do not need one. Seema and I met up last month. There we don't need any article. Next page. I survived on the books and the music during my years at the hostel. I dropped the wash by mistake. I was in the college when mom telephoned. Father and mother are going to the theater house to watch a play. Dad is making dinner for us. It will be ready in a while. 11th, the year 2019 was a good year for me. 12th, my brother was born in 2014. So there we don't need articles, because we can't say my brother was born in the 2014 or in our 2014. That is wrong to say. D, insert articles where necessary. Once upon a time, a rich merchant was robbed in King Akbar's kingdom. Grief-stricken merchant went to the court and asked for help. Akbar asked Birbal to went to court. That will not come, children. Okay. Grief-stricken merchant went to court and asked for help. Akbar asked Birbal to help merchant find robbers. Merchant told Birbal that he suspected one of his servants. On getting hint from merchant, Birbal summoned all servants and told them to stand in straight line. When asked about robbery, everyone denied doing it as expected. Birbal then handed over one stick of same length to each one of them. While despairing, Birbal said, "By tomorrow, robber's stick will increase by 2 inches." Next day, when Birbal summoned everyone and did inspection of their sticks, so what happened? One servant's stick was shorter by 2 inches. You know how? On being asked by merchant mystery of finding real thief, Birbal said it was simple. What was the reply of Birbal? It was simple. Thief had cut his stick by 2 inches, fearing that it would increase in size. Because Birbal has told no that stick will increase, that whoever was the robber, whose stick will increase some inches. So that thief, the person who was thief, so what he has done, he was thinking that he was scared and he was thinking that his stick will increase 2 inches. That's why in that fear he had cut his stick. That's why he was caught. So this is the story, and there you had to use the articles. So complete, children. Learn all the rules. Question can be asked from the lesson, like define articles, rules of the indefinite articles, rules of the definite articles. Then what happen when repetition of articles is there, what are the rules for the omission of the articles. So you should write all that notes in the copy, omission of articles, repetitions of articles, that is given in the book, and do the exercise. As I have told that fill in the blanks you have to do in the book itself, but the question given on page number 26B, that you have to do in the copy. Thank you, children.